Why you need choose AutoDiag's motorcycle adapter cables. For motorcycle adapter cables, the most important concern for users must be quality and durability, rather than having to throw them away after a few times of use. AutoDiag always offer high-quality products. Using good materials is the basis for producing high-quality products. AutoDiag's motorcycle adapter cables are all made of 100% pure copper terminals for better conductivity. The cable is 7 mm wire diameter, at least 26 AWG, and conform to international standards. Plastic for injection molding is 100% raw material, never using recycled materials. Our motorcycle joints are all made using mold injection molding technology, which is sturdy and durable. Unlike other low-quality products that only use heat shrink tubing to protect, or even have no shrink at all, they are easily to break. We have 3 stripes on both sides of each plug, making it more convenient for users to use and unplug. Each plug is filled with pins, making customers more satisfied. So, do you know how to choose?